We have a higher dishwasher here, and this one is blinking H20 error. And I was trying to figure out what that is until I went under there and I noticed this pressure switch, and this is made exactly like GE dishwasher, and these are notorious for having pressure switch issue, which there's a little hole. If you press this, pull this tab up, turn it counterclockwise, quarter turn, you pull this thing out, you'll see there's a little hole in there, and it gets gunked up with food debris, and the dishwasher doesn't know how much water it's in there, and then it can either overflow or it can run dry. So if you're getting H2O error on a GE dishwasher, I'm sorry, higher dishwasher, I'm gonna give you a model number here. It's
You're gonna put the model number into the description.
Yeah, QGP 555 SYN00FS, and we'll get the pressure switch and I'll show you how to replace it. So this is the pressure switch that we're gonna use. So if you take this apart, pull the plastic off, the lighter plastic, there's a little hole on the black part. So you can technically take this apart and clean that little hole, but it's only a $20 part and it's worth replacing. Part number WD21X25468, and you see it's a GE. Oh, a higher company. So here we go for both of them. So George is working on getting the switch off. Make sure you unplug the dishwasher.
See you guys in a minute.
Alright, see ya. Yep, so a little water gonna come out. We got a towel under there. So we got the switch out. So you can do it without taking the dishwasher out. A little tight. You gotta get the connection off. Here's the pin. But the switch is already out. So here how the switch looks. So you gotta push this tab. You gotta push it down to get the connection out. And with cables being short and underneath, it's hard to do it. Oh look, you got it. So yeah, there's a gunk in there. You see all this gunk. It goes into the switch, and actually let's take it apart. We'll show you what it looks like. So see all the gunk in there. Oof. So this guy comes out like that. Oh look, so you can't even see the hole with the gunk. Take this apart. See, there's a little go hole there. That's why the pressure switch is not sensing.
Is there a way how to prevent this?
Yeah. Well, scrub your dishes before you put them in. Yeah, this thing is not designed for heavy use. So, alright, we're gonna just pop a new one in. I had in the past where this leaked. So you make sure after you put it in, you check, because you might get a drip. So, alright.
Can I do it?
Yeah, I'll let George put it back in, get some good practice.
Okay, first I guess.
So the switch feels a little loose. The rubber is not a half a turn. That's it. So we'll see if it leaks or not. So, but yeah, that's the tab up and turn out, push it in, turn, that's it. So I had that in the past where this rubber seal was a little different thickness from the new switch. So we just reused from the old switch because it felt a little loose. And that fixed the leak. There was a little drip under the switch. Yeah, the rubber was a little thicker on the old one. So, all right, let's see how it works. Switch is back on. Just want to make sure we're not getting a drip.
Some basic smart. Put the light.
Just do a light cycle. So previously dishwasher was sounding weird. It was like some kind of grinding noise because it was running with no water in it. I can feel already the water going in. That noise is actually the water valve. Nice looking dishwasher. Basically just a rebranded GE unit, and I've replaced a lot of these pressure switches on the GE, and this is the first time I see a higher one. So that was that was easy. Once we pulled up the manual, we saw the manual was for GE, and then I opened the bottom, saw the switch was identical. Here we go. Sounds like water is spraying. Getting water back in, no error codes. Okay, looks nice and dry. Well, it's fixed. Thanks for watching the channel, guys. Please like and subscribe for more. See you on the next one.